Hi everybody, it's Lyn from Lyn's Crafts Designs. You know, I've got another review. One thing I want to say, the reason I've done all these reviews is to kind of hold myself accountable and make more videos. Although I may not have a polymer clay video this week, I'm not sure at this moment, but this does at least hold me accountable to putting out videos. So I will have 2 of these reviews this week, and I'll try to have another video just showing a tutorial. It may be resin, it may be, I'm not sure, but okay, this is for Craspire again. They kindly contacted me and asked me to do another review. When they asked me, I was having trouble with my computer and could not get onto their website. So, through a roundabout way, I got on the Amazon website and ordered a few things. But the links I'll put below will be for the Craspire website. I don't know if these particular products will be available, but it is what it is. Okay, I got another handle. I'm not sure what kind of wood this is. Just a screw-on handle to go with. This one is an underwater, like, sea. It's actually like an elkhorn coral, but anyway, it's an underwater sea fan kind of, and then it's got little bubbles. I want to do some beads, some large, not that large, but some large beads, flat on the side beads, stamped. Okay, there's that one, and then this one. It's little paw prints. That'll be cute. Stamped on both sides. That'll be cute. And then, why would you order a stamp set from a company that sells wax seal products? I don't know. Anyway, I just thought this was a gorgeous stamp set. Oh, let me turn it the right way, it might help. Just so, again, along the lines of a bead. When all your nails broken, it's not the best idea. That is so tiny. But think about it on beads. That would be so cute. Of course, you can't see it from the side, but it's white. So cute. And then some of the other ones are just about the same size, and they would make perfect beads. Okay, so that's what I got from Craspire. Information on the room. Don't start a craft room renovation in January. Coldest month here in Texas. And it always is. I know that it is. I know it. But it did anyway. Because we had a whole week of warm weather where it was in the 70s. Gave me spring fever. So, I'm about halfway through. So, no, I'm not going to do a tour video because, oh my gosh, let's just say, I have a lot of projects. Thank y'all so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. The links to Craspire and will be down below, along with the links to all my social media. Thank y'all so much for watching. Bye for now.